So super quick, if you ran into this issue like I have when you're creating an image in DALL-E 3 image generator, sometimes it works, but other times it hasn't. Like today, I try to download this image for YouTube image thumbnail, and the image format isn't suitable for uploading YouTube, and really the current format for this one, yesterday it worked just fine, but today it was saving in WebP and wasn't able to recognize it. Maybe there's a little bug in the generator itself, but hey, what do you do to get around this? I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to go to Adobe Express. Adobe Express is pretty cheap. It's like $10 a month, and there's also like a free version of it. And then I'm going to take a YouTube image thumbnail that recently created, and I'm going to change this background color to transparent, and then I'm going to select everything, hit backspace, then I'm going to hit paste. So that's going to drop the image that we just made in ChatGPT into Adobe Express, and then I'm going to drag the dimensions across the format of the image. And obviously this isn't perfect. You could see, we could do this here just because we don't want that bag to get too close to the edges, something like that, and then we can stretch it just a little bit. And now whenever we go to save, we're going to be able to get it in Adobe Express. So let's say we download now, we save PNG, we download, and then the only issue here is that pretty sure YouTube doesn't allow images above 2 megabytes to be saved. Uploaded to YouTube. So we're going to see how many. So we got 1560 kilobytes. That's perfect. Now this is going to upload just fine to YouTube. Let's see if we've got the window open. If I go here to YouTube, this is another video we're doing, but point is, that's what I would do. I would use ChatGPT to, whenever you're getting the incorrect image format, whether it's through GPT generator or through ChatGPT itself. I think this is because it's doing some sort of like, it's generating as like a web page, and in this particular case, the image generator started bugging out. That's why I stopped it before I edited all this text. But that led me to, that may be the reason why it's not recognizing the image when I try to upload it to Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Express to be able to edit it. So I just wanted to copy the image like it is here, dropped it into Adobe Express into a YouTube thumbnail dimension format, and now I just downloaded it directly, and I'll have no problem uploading YouTube. Let me know if you need help with your YouTube image thumbnails or generating ChatGPT or mess with formats. There's a link in the description. You can hop on a coaching call. We can help you out with that. If you guys have any questions or video topics you'd like us to cover, you can also drop those in the comment section below and let us know what you think about the video. Have a wonderful day. Peace.